Flan is flan is a good Mexican dessert. I believe it's Mexican. I don't know. But anyways, not everybody can make it, you know, but flan is good. But if you're craving flan, and if you can't go to any restaurants or it's too late, whatever, can this store flan taste good and stop your craving? Let's find out if it's true, if it's good or not. Let's find out if it can stop the craving. Let's get one of these puppies. It smells, Not so much. The consistency is too, I say gelatinous. I don't know if I would use the word correctly. No. It's not it's not even accurate. Yeah, it does not gonna work. If you wanna crave flan, you wanna buy this. Yeah, it's just a complete different dessert. They should call it something else, not flan. But anyways, stay positive, my friends. And this cannot stop you craving a flan. And have a good night. And anything is possible if you guys want it.